We're less than 2 weeks out from Google's official unveiling the Pixel 8 series along with a newly refined Pixel Watch 2. You'd think this close to an event that any leaks would be directed towards the company's upcoming fall lineup. In classic Google fashion, you'd be wrong. In a strange turn of events, we're getting a very early, very unofficial look at what seems to be next year's Pixel 8a, even while its big brothers have yet to hit store shelves. Images posted by Yabashek on X this morning show off what is allegedly the Google Pixel 8a in an early look that might just be the earliest we've ever seen a Google device in hands-on images. The leak shows a device that has 2 cameras in a pill-shaped cutout, and with the entire device having a blue color similar to what we've seen in Pixel 8 Pro leaks. The images further show the phone's updated shape, which is much more rounded in the corners compared to the existing Pixel 7a and more in line with what we've seen of the rest of the Pixel 8 series. The side of the phone has a matte finish to the metal, but the back has a glossy finish, which is in line with what the Pixel 7 offered. One image of the front of the device shows the display, which has very rounded corners but also fairly big bezels by modern standards. This comes as no surprise for a Pixel A series device though, as they've traditionally had compromises in this area. It's claimed that Pixel 8a will be running on a Tensor G3 chip, which is to be expected and also carries the codename Akita. That codename first popped up in a leaked roadmap of Google's Pixel plans through 2025. This early is worth taking any leak with a pretty massive grain of salt. This phone is, after all, unlikely to arrive before next summer. Back in December of last year, a leaked roadmap pointed to a planned Pixel 8, a launch hinging on the sales of its predecessor. Large portions of that plan, including the $1,800 price point for the Pixel Fold, the addition of a 90Hz display on the Pixel 7a, and a slightly smaller size for the Pixel 8, have proven themselves to be true, with only a couple of minor discrepancies between the initial report and where we are today. I didn't have a September leak for the Pixel 8 on my bingo card, but if this is indeed the phone, it's one of the earliest leaks we've ever seen for Google's hardware, especially when it comes to real-world units. Keep an eye out for more rumors and reports about this phone. If there's one thing we know about Google leaks, it's how similar they are to Pringles. Once they pop, they just can't stop. So how do you like this new rounded Pixel 8 from Google? Share your valuable thoughts below in the comment section, and for more Google updates, you can check out our channel. See you in the next one. Peace out.